Mise en place. It sounds fancy, but it is actually your new secret weapon for cooking success. Mise en place. Everything in its place. Mise en place, a French term meaning everything in its place, is more than just neat bowls. It's about prepping ingredients before you cook so you can focus on making great food. By chopping, measuring, and organizing in advance, you'll avoid mistakes, keep calm, and have more fun. Prepped ingredients equal faster, stress-free cooking. A small bin is used to discard scraps easily. Here's the trick. Create a designated prep area. Keep your cutting board, bowls, and tools in one spot to avoid a scattered mess. And as you go, clean as you prep. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Use a small bowl or bin for scraps to stay tidy. Show ingredients arranged neatly, labeled or grouped, e.g., spices together, veggies together. Once you're fully prepped, you'll notice a huge difference. Cooking becomes smooth, almost like choreography. Each step flows right into the next. With everything within reach, you'll cook more confidently and stress less. Now that we've read the recipe, let's get everything ready with mise en place and start cooking with flavor and finesse. Ready to cook? For more quick tips to sharpen your kitchen skills, hit subscribe and join us here on Yee's Flavor Fusions.